Hi, welcome to EarlyON. My name's Robin. We offer programming for children aged 0 to 6 and their parents and caregivers. And we've been doing a lot of gardening outside and playing with worms. So I thought it would be fun to make worms and dirt dessert today with the kids. So we have Jackson and Alyssa. So first we have a pudding cup. Just an individual pudding cup. We have some Oreo cookie crumbs. We have gummy worms. And we have whipped cream. And we have a clear cup to put our dessert in. First, we are going to empty out all our pudding into the whipped cream bowl. Can you scoop it out?
I can.
Scoop it out into your whipped cream bowl.
That easy.
Scoop it all out. Is it all scooped out? Okay. Now,
What would you with the poo?
you're going to mix it together. You're going to mix the whipped cream and the chocolate pudding together.
What?
Mix it all together.
Okay.
Just like that.
Wow. What I eat? And what can you do? What?
You think you're going to like it?
Yeah.
Do you like chocolate, Jackson?
Yeah. We do.
Those are Oreo cookie crumbs. Is it all mixed?
I think so, just a little bit more.
Okay. That looks good. This is a great dessert to have in the summertime.
Yeah.
So you're going to put 1 scoop of chocolate pudding mix in your cup.
That isn't easy.
Put it all.
That
Okay,
isn't.
maybe put 1 more scoop in.
Mine cup almost peeled.
Yeah, put another scoop in, Jackson.
My cup almost peeled.
Is it almost spilled?
My cup.
And now you're going to take your fingers and you're going to go like this with your cookie crumbs, Jackson. And you're going to go like this and you're going to sprinkle it on and it looks like dirt. Sprinkle it in your cup.
Like that.
Just like that. It looks like dirt. Just like the dirt outside.
Is it tangled?
Now you can take one of your gummy worms and put it in your cup.
In my cup like this.
Add some more pudding. Put it in your cup.
In my cup.
Put 2 more scoops in.
Mine 2 more coops.
2 more there. Okay, now take your fingers. Take your fingers and sprinkle some of your cookie crumbs so that it looks like dirt. Okay, now put another worm in.
Another one.
Another worm.
Ooh.
It's okay.
Put it in.
It's gonna be in there anyways.
Now scoop some more of your pudding mixture in. Put 2 more scoops in.
9.
1, 2 big ones. There's a big one. Good job, Jackson. Okay, now sprinkle some more cookie crumbs in. You can lick it, it's your bowl.
Oh yay. I wonder what it tastes like.
Scoop a little bit more in, Jackson. Can you scoop it all out of the bowl? Okay,
Nice and creamy.
1 more worm. And a little bit more cookie crumbs. There we go. And this is what the worms and dirt looks like. Enjoy. Thanks for joining us in today's EarlyON activity. Have a great day.